welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make zebra cupcakes. This is a very interesting and decorative recipe that our kids will be super excited about. The zebra pattern in the cupcakes are just amazing and of course very easy to make. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, add 1.5 cups of Maida, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Give all the dry ingredients a quick mix and set it aside. Now to another bowl, I've taken 1 egg. Beat it well until it turns nice and fluffy. Now to this, add 3/4 cup of boiled and cooled milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix all the wet ingredients until they combine well. Now it's nice and done, so pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients bowl and mix it well. Continue to mix for at least 5 minutes until the batter is nice and smooth. The batter will be a little thick in the beginning, but then the sugar will melt and form the proper consistency. And yes, now your batter is super smooth and lump-free. Divide the batter into 2 equal portions. Now to a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a tablespoon of water. Mix it well for at least 2 minutes. Add the cocoa powder mixture to one of the portion and mix it well. Now we are ready with our regular batter and the chocolate batter. Now to our cupcake mold, add a teaspoon of regular batter, then add 1 teaspoon of chocolate batter at the center. Likewise, repeat the same until the cupcake mold is 3/4 filled. Now using a toothpick, make a petal pattern at the top. This is totally optional. Likewise, make all the cupcakes and keep it ready. Now it's ready to get baked. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes. Now your super delicious zebra pattern cupcakes are ready. It's really very soft. Look at the zebra pattern inside. Your kids are going to love it for sure. So do try this recipe at home and write back to me your comments. I'll meet you all with another recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.